Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, and today I'm going to show you what I would do with this bedroom. Okay guys, as you can see, this is a beautiful bedroom. It has loads of natural light. It has amazing views. It's just like a really nice bedroom, which has so much potential. So the brief for this bedroom is it's masculine, it's modern, it's just clean, you know, it's a bit different to my regular designs, you know, it's a bit more darker, but I'm really loving that darker vibe at the minute, so this was really fun to do, but I'm just going to get right into this and show you what I would do. Okay, so in this space, there's not actually a lot that needs to be done. It's just paint, some new furniture, wallpaper, and that's it. You know, some shelving built in, and that's literally it. Because the layout and everything is already perfect as it is. Like the bed is in the perfect spot, the wardrobe's in a good spot, you know, it's just emphasizing everything. So what I would do first of all is I'd keep the bed because that's just unnecessary expenditure. So I'd keep the bed because it's like an oak bed, which is really nice. Very simple, sleek, so it can work, it can just transition into this new design. So I'd keep the bed, I'd get all new sheets obviously. I'm going with like a grey, bluey, kind of navy vibe, like that kind of, just like a hint of green in the paint I think. But yeah, so it's very like, you know, very, you know, boyish, if you know what I mean. Yeah. So in this bedroom, so the bed, when you go in, the bed is right here on your right, the bed is here, and then there's a TV area directly in front of the bed. And this is very important because this TV cannot go because it has to be here. That's, you know, it's a necessity. So that TV will be there, but I'd take out the unit that's underneath it currently and I'd get a custom, like, bespoke built-in unit. So it has like space to hold your like games, your DVDs, it has drawers, it has a place for the PlayStation, you know, it's very sleek and clean. So I'd have that underneath the TV and I'd paint that in the same color as I paint the wall, just so it kind of blends in seamlessly, and I think it looks really good. Then moving on over back to the bed, I put in two little stools each side of the bed. They're not technically stools, but they look like stools. But I put them in either side. I think you can get these on IKEA. I got them for the apartment renovation I done. I put them in, I paint them the same color as the walls, you know, just so it all blends in and it's very sleek, because you know, it's a beautifully spaced, it's a spacious room, but also, you know, it's not that spacious, so you have to be very careful where you put everything. Okay, so I kind of just so it's not like obstructing the eye, it's very like seamless. That's what I'm going for here, seamless, if you can't already tell. I'm going for the whole seamless kind of vibe. So then behind the bed I put in this beautiful wallpaper from Farrow & Ball. It's called anime one. It is gorgeous. I actually have a sample, one second. Okay guys, so here is the sample of the wallpaper. As you can see, it's gorgeous. So I put this on the wall where the bed is, and I'd also put it on the wall where the windows are, just like opposite sides of the room. I think it looks so good. Okay, so then over where the windows are, I'd have that like the little kind of relax area. So I put in a little chair, and I put in a mirror, plant, and some beautiful curtains from, I think they're from Crate and Barrel. Do correct me if I'm wrong. I'll correct myself actually in the overlay. I'm pretty sure they're from Crate and Barrel. They're a grey linen kind of sheer curtain, which I just think would look beautifully in that space because there's already blinds there, so I wouldn't really need to replace them. If there's a budget there, I'd replace them with a different colour because they're red currently. But I mean, red can still work with this. Ideally, I'd like to do something more simple, you know, something a bit more versatile than red, but we're just gonna go with. Then I'd have a beautiful little chair. I just think it would be so nice to have like a chair there, so you know, yeah, it's just nice to have like somewhere else to sit, and has this, and the space is there for a chair, which I just think would just complement that area just so beautifully. Like, I mean, the person in this room is designed for, they don't read, so I mean, it's not gonna be a reading nook area, but I mean, it's just, you know, nice to there. If you put on your shoes, you can sit on the chair and put on your shoes, or you know, if you're on your phone, or if you have people over, you know, if your friends are over, they can sit on this chair. But then I'd also have like a really tall mirror, like something a bit like, oh, I seen this really cool one on Restoration Hardware, but this one's like over $1,000, so I mean realistically it's not gonna be this one, but this is what I would do if, you know, the budget was a bit more. It's so nice. It's like a frame, and then the mirror is kind of smaller inside, but it's connected with these kind of, it looks like iron kind of clasps along it. It just looks very like, you know, masculine and like really good. Yeah, I love it so much. I love it, and I kind of put it leaning against the wall just so it's not, you know, super formal, you know, and very prestige. You know, I just like casual. So I put that there, so you know when you're taking your selfies in the mirror, it's a nice background, you have your wallpaper, and then you have the wall behind you that's very clean and simple, and your chair and your little throw pillow, and you know, just look amazing. And then over in the wardrobe area, there's a door there that leads into the bathroom, but I put in a little kind of square ottoman kind of thing in the corner there, just so you know you can sit down. I don't know, I just like having seating in a bedroom. You know, I mean, some people think, you know, what's the point in having seating, but I just think it looks nice, and also, you know, you don't want to walk all the way over to the chair to put on your shoes, you know, that's not what you're going to be doing, you know, you're designing for easy live, but like, you know, it's luxury having that option to just sit wherever you want, you know. If I make no sense, I'm sorry. Ooh, and also I put in this really beautiful little pendant light. It's from Crate and Barrel as well. I mean, I feel like this room is mostly Crate and Barrel, Farrow and Ball, and Restoration Hardware, like the three main shops. But I put in this little pendant light on top. I just think it's like square, it's like rectangular, and it's kind of geometric, and I just think that vibe would just suit the room like to a T, like perfectly. So I put that in the space as well. And then I was thinking about painting the ceiling as well, like not white, but like a kind of a lighter version of this color. Like, you see the lighter color, not the dark color, the light color. I was thinking painting like a lighter color of that. Would that be cool? I think so. Okay guys, and that is what JMC would do with this space. If you guys have any spaces that you'd like my opinions on, do email them to me. My email is down below. Go check that out. It's jmcdesignsinfo@gmail.com. If you want to send me images of your spaces, or if you just have any design related questions, you know, shoot them my way. Let me know what you thought of this space. Did you like what I would do? Would you do something different? Would you do the dark walls? Would you do light walls? Just let me know all your opinions down below. And before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little notification bell just to be notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.